Yorkies are known to be tricky when it comes to potty training. They have a small bladder and prone accidents. With the perfect amount of knowledge and plan, it can go smoothly, and you can avoid these circumstances. It can take from 6 months to a year before Yorkies recognizes their training. Some Yorkie can learn fast, and some aren't. It is advisable to start teaching them before the age of 6 to 7 months old. As they age, it will be hard to imply a strict rule. The perfect time to start potty training is when you bring home your Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkies that comes from the pet store should be potty trained as soon as possible and be prepared to train them from a long haul. Dogs from pet stores mostly live in cages and have the habit of pooping there. Training them will be a little difficult to break the habit, but you will get there. On the bright side, if you got a Yorkie from a breeder, you have an easier task. A good breeder usually potty trains their puppies more than 7 to 8 weeks old, so you don't have to worry about those things. It might not be all breeders, so make sure to ask them firsthand before getting one. Yorkie potty training starting with a crate can help your Yorkie adapt to the house training fast and with just a limited amount of effort. Crate training is important because it inhibits a psychological scenario for dogs to eliminate at his place of living. It also prevents your dog from wandering all over the house and get a chance to mess inside. Routine is important for dogs. So it is best practice to schedule a time, preferably to be an hour, to take your Yorkie to a familiar place outside. The place needs to be safe and secure all the time, and it is essential to give instructions. It is one way of implementing a potty train. When you put him back in the crate, observe some nuances that give the idea of him going to eliminate, and then take your dog outside and do the same thing you did earlier. Conclusion: to conclude, Yorkies potty training can be a hard task for some dog lovers, and dog owners who don't know how to do it can be in a bit of trouble too. For this reason, make sure to follow the routine, and your Yorkie will be able to pick it up. Aside from that, make sure to remember to start not too early or too late. So get your Yorkie potty training regimen executed and see all the positive changes.